Welcome back. We are covering number 11 on 20 tips to get you started with the Microsoft OneNote for Mac. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I want to encourage you to do this. If you're back multiple times, maybe it's time to subscribe, right? If you haven't already done that, go ahead and do that. Click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, put a little time in here to put this thing together, show a little appreciation. I'd appreciate it. And then also click the alert button so you're notified of future videos that come out. And we're covering, again, this series because, again, what I've seen over my years of being in corporate America is that a lot of people will, handwrite things in notebooks or on paper or whatever their, analog method is, and then they'll lose them in there because their desks are piled up with paper, right? And they just can't find them. And if they do keep a notebook, they can't remember what date they actually took it in and took a particular note or action item in, and it takes 5 minutes for them to find them. So I see other people also just keeping, notes in Microsoft Word and even Excel sometimes. But again, I think that OneNote is inclusive of all of those features that Excel and Word have, and then it's also searchable, and it's a really good way for you to organize your notes. And this will hopefully help you become more productive in your life, whether that be in business, your career, or in whatever organization you're currently working in or sitting in meetings in. Even if you're not running the meeting, it's a good tool for you to use to actually take notes and then do follow-up things with this. It's a pretty powerful tool. So this one is going to be number 11 here. You can create stickers within OneNote. So we're going to jump over to OneNote here, and we're going to jump right in. So typically what you'll find is that when you go, there's the home button obviously here, and then if you click on the insert over here to the right hand side, you see this little smiley face here, right? So you just left click on that and it should pull this up. And this is for Mac again, but I typically cover this in the beginning, most of my videos here, but it's going to be fairly similar to what you find in PC as well, right? So, and if not, there's ton of tutorials out there that'll, give you the specifics on how to do it in PC, but they'll be pretty similar, right? And so as you can see over here, this stickers menu will come up, right? And there's something called the Fruit Crew, which going to leave it there. Monster Friends. And then there's SEL. I don't even know what that is, but there's Cats in Suits, and we're not going to put any of those stickers in. There's little monkey emojis and stickers there. And then there's the Octocorn, which, again, not going to do that one. Office Drama, and then Team Squatch. Not going to do that. We're going to go to... yeah, we're going to go and put one of these office dramas here, and we're going to actually put this one in with the swear words, right? And the nice thing about it is you can almost make your own little meme. Let's do this. Please stop quoting the definition of insanity. Everyone's been in that meeting where somebody quotes the definition of insanity, and that is actually the definition of insanity, is listening to somebody quote the definition of insanity like they invented the definition of insanity. I'm not going to quote it for you now. I'm going to save you and spare you from me doing it here as well. So we're going to do that, and we're going to place it in there, right? And to close this out, all you have to do is hit the little X here. But here you go, and I can actually see that you'll probably may actually use this one in the future as well here. But again, just a nice little way to kind of take some visuals if you want to do that. But again, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And again, I don't use it that much, to be perfectly candid with you. But again, just another little tip that if you're, storyboarding or doing something like that, maybe this would come into play. And I'm sure that there's a way for you to actually download more stickers for you to use. But again, we'll go through it again. I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to delete this, and we're going to do it again, right? So here's the menu. If you're on the home menu, you have to go over, left click on insert, and then go over here to where it says stickers. You right click on stickers, and again, we'll put something else in here, and we're going to do this one, right? We're just going to make one more. Did you wash your hands? I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. And, in this environment that we're living in with the health crisis worldwide that's going on, this is probably an appropriate sticker for us to use. So I'm going to close this out here. And that's it. And typically, if you right click on any element that's within, OneNote, it'll bring up another menu for you to do things with. I'm just going to leave this one here because you saw me do the first one. But that is going to do it. And again, before we go, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button, and we will talk to you at the next video.